Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today's the day. The Sea-Doo is ready to be picked up, so we're going to head down to Energy Powersports, pick it up, and I'm just going to take you along to see what that's like, and then show you what we did for the upgrades and things like that. So stick around, we're going to head out. Let's go. Alright guys, well, we've picked it up. I've got the cover on because I want to save the surprise of what I've done to it till we get back and I can go over it and stuff like that. So again, thanks to the guys at Energy Powersports for hooking me up, getting me all ready for the season. Very excited. So let's head back to the home base and we'll just go over what few upgrades we got. So we'll catch you back in a little bit. Alright guys, been a couple days, things have been getting on, a bit crazy, but just going to finish up here and show you I've got the Sea-Doo back home. So I'm going to just show you what I had done over the winter to it, so to get ready for this new season and stuff. So let's quickly have a quick look at her and see what we got on it. So we're back looking at it, and what I've done is I've added the Garmin, which is upside down, fish finder, sonar, navigation to it. So I've added that to the system for this year to help with all the things I plan on doing. So we've got navigation, sonar, because I think I'm going to do a bit more fishing on it, so hopefully check that out. I'll do a better review of this unit once we're actually out on the water. I'll kind of show you what it looks like and how it works and things like that, just to not like a huge in-depth one, but enough to get the gist of it and stuff. And then the other thing I did was I added the Fish Pro gunnels to the side of the Sea-Doo, just to give you, one, if you can see it, gives you a little bit more height, keeps the water out of your wells, and two, when you are doing the fishing and stuff, it's good to have your feet up on that. My buddy has that and I used it and it was great. So you're not actually resting your feet on the fiberglass and wearing that out. So you can see, got it on this side as well. Right, nice little feature, easily added on. So yeah, that's kind of what we're looking at for this year. So hopefully this will help us out and improve all of our adventures and stuff. So just want to say thanks for watching. I know this is a quick one, nothing too much to it because sadly we're still not out on the water, still a bit early in the year and stuff, and especially with all this, you know, social distancing and stuff, you know, you gotta be safe out there. So just want to say thanks to all of the doctors, nurses, healthcare workers everywhere, grocery stores, truckers, all you guys out there. Amazing work you're doing so that it will allow us to get out and ride again these things soon. So thank you for everyone that's been helping out in these times. Be safe out there, and we should be out on the water soon. So stay tuned for, I got one more video of one more upgrade I'm going to put on it, so I'm going to get to that. Again, it won't be a long one, but after that we should be able to start getting out on the water and start the adventures for the year. So stick around for those. Appreciate you guys subscribing, appreciate all the likes, the comments. If you have any questions about what I did here, pricing or where I did it, I want to say thanks to Energy Powersport for hooking me up on this. They installed this, they installed that, did the spring maintenance on it. Great guys there. So if you need to, check them out. And they're in the Toronto GTA area. They're actually open right now for service, so even in this you know, COVID-19 times, they've got a plan set up to take care of you guys if you need to get anything done. So check them out. And like I said, I know it's not much, but we'll be back out on the water soon. It is what we have to do, right? So all the best to you guys. Stay safe out there, and to the next video, peace. Ow, that was a wall. And all the best to you. Nah, I'll go over all the stuff we did to I'll go over all the stuff in this water trips. That's a weird way of saying that.